What are life hacks and why are they so popular? Life hacks have exploded online as short and clever tricks to supposedly make life easier. From bizarre toothpaste uses to soda can tab tricks, they're everywhere. Especially on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. But their popularity often overshadows their practicality. Many of these hacks promise time-saving shortcuts or cost-cutting methods. But few are backed by logic or testing. Some are dangerous while others are downright useless. With millions of views, it's important to question their legitimacy. The appeal of life hacks is universal. Who doesn't want to simplify tasks and get more done with less effort? But chasing novelty without facts can lead to wasted time, or worse, personal risk. We'll break down the most viral life hacks and test them in real-world scenarios. Our goal: separate fact from fiction, so you don't fall for the hype. So buckle up as we put these trending tips to the test and expose the hacks that just don't hold up. Does toothpaste fix scratched phone screens or car panels? One of the most circulated hacks online suggests that applying toothpaste to a scratched phone screen or car surface can buff it out. This tip has appeared in countless videos with impressive before and after visuals. To test it, we used regular white toothpaste, not gel, and applied it to a scratched phone screen. After rubbing for a few minutes and then cleaning it off, the scratch was barely affected. A similar result occurred with a car panel. No visible improvement. The truth is that toothpaste does contain mild abrasives which can help remove tiny surface-level marks. However, for deeper scratches, the effect is negligible or non-existent. Experts actually warn against this hack. Toothpaste can dull screens or damage paint finishes further, especially if it gets trapped in the seams. Do these common ingredients outperform commercial cleaning products? Social media is full of hacks showing lemon and baking soda, removing stains, clearing clogs, and deodorizing almost anything. But how do they really compare to traditional cleaners? We tested this hack on 3 surfaces: a greasy stovetop, a stained cutting board, and a smelly garbage disposal. The results were mixed. Lemon and baking soda worked well as a mild abrasive and deodorizer, but struggled with heavy grime. Compared to commercial degreasers and drain cleaners, natural mixtures often require more time, effort, and multiple applications. That said, they're safer, eco-friendlier, and cheaper. This hack works best for maintenance cleaning, rather than tackling deep messes. Don't expect miracles, but they're great for quick refreshes. Is the fastest drink chiller trick real? This hack involves wrapping a beverage can in a wet paper towel, placing it in a bowl of ice with salt, and spinning it for 2 minutes. It's claimed to chill warm drinks fast without a fridge. We put this to the test using soda and water bottles. The temperature dropped significantly by about 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just under 3 minutes, making this one of the few hacks that genuinely works well. The salt lowers the freezing point of ice, making the mixture colder than ice alone. Combined with spinning, it speeds up the heat transfer from the drink. This is a lifesaver at parties or camping, when you need a cold drink fast but forgot to prep. Can this quirky method really revive your cookware? One trending hack shows someone slicing a potato, then dipping it in baking soda or salt, and using it to scrub rust off metal pans. The starch and mild acidity are said to react with the rust. We tested this on 2 rusted cast iron pans. The potato method worked slowly but surprisingly well. Rust did come off, though not as quickly as with steel wool or vinegar soaks. This method is effective, safe for food surfaces, and oddly satisfying. But it is more time-consuming than modern rust removers. Still, it's a neat trick for anyone wanting a gentle, natural approach to cleaning metal. Is this beauty hack fact or fiction? Some beauty influencers swear by using dryer sheets to tame static-filled hair, especially in dry climates or during winter months. The idea is that the anti-static agents transfer from the sheet to your hair. We gave this a shot, rubbing a dryer sheet across hair strands after towel drying. The result? Static was noticeably reduced and the hair smelled nice too. This hack is low risk and does work in many cases. But it's not a long-term solution and may leave residue with repeated use. It's great in a pinch, but using a proper hair serum or leave-in conditioner will offer more consistent results. Can you revive dead batteries with heat from friction? One hack suggests you can revive a dying AA battery by rubbing it briskly between your palms to create heat and friction. We tested this with several almost dead batteries. Surprisingly, it sometimes worked, but only briefly. Batteries that couldn't power a flashlight flickered to life for a few more seconds. The heat helps to temporarily improve the chemical reaction inside the battery. However, this is only a short-term trick, not a fix. Batteries lose capacity, and this revival lasts just minutes. It won't work on fully drained or damaged cells. So, while it's neat in a pinch, this hack is not reliable for anything important. Is this fizzy chemical reaction really strong enough to clear blockages? One of the most popular household hacks on the internet claims that pouring baking soda followed by vinegar down a clogged drain can clear it without the need for harsh chemicals. But, can a kitchen experiment really take the place of a plumber? We recreated the scenario using a slow kitchen sink and a mildly clogged bathroom drain. We poured half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar, then waited 15 minutes before flushing it with boiling water. The bubbling reaction was immediate and impressive, like a science fair volcano erupting inside the pipe. After the flush, the sink did drain slightly faster, but only marginally. In the bathroom test, the effect was even less noticeable. When compared to a store-bought drain cleaner used in a similar condition, the baking soda vinegar mix underperformed by a wide margin. Why? While the reaction produces carbon dioxide and fizz, it doesn't dissolve hair, grease, or any major buildup. It can help freshen drains and mildly loosen residue, but it's far from a heavy-duty solution. In fact, plumbers warn it may sometimes worsen blockages by pushing clogs deeper. So, does it work? Technically, yes, for maintenance or very light buildup. But if your sink is backing up, skip the volcano and grab a drain snake or a professional-grade product. Are those viral fast-fold gift hacks worth using? From diagonal wrapping to no-tape folding methods, gift wrap hacks dominate December social feeds. But do they actually save time or paper? We tested the top 5 gift wrapping hacks, from triangle folds to using toilet paper rolls for odd-shaped items. Some were impressively quick and looked great, others were disasters. The diagonal fold technique worked best, saving paper and fitting snugly. The no-tape fold looked clever, but unraveled easily unless handled carefully. So yes, some of these are time savers, but don't ditch your tape just yet. What's the final verdict on viral life hacks? Our tests show that life hacks are a mixed bag. Some, like the drink chiller and the potato scrub, really do work, though they often take more time or prep than expected. Others, like scratch removal with toothpaste, are mostly myths. The appeal lies in their simplicity and surprise. But in reality, many hacks are exaggerated for clicks, not practicality. That's why it's critical to test before trusting. Some hacks are genuinely helpful if used correctly, and in the right context. Others can waste time or even cause damage if misused. So next time you scroll past a viral hack, ask yourself, is this science or just social media magic? Got a life hack you want us to test next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell if you enjoyed busting myths with us, so you never fall for fake hacks again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.